This house is on Route 313 at Highland Hill Farm. We're working on it, and there was a fire here years ago. It's hard to see, but there's a nest right up there of a horned owl. So we'll try and get up there in a little bit to show it to you. To be careful going up. There it is. It's a huge nest. This is a great horned owl's nest. I'm going to try and reach up here. The camera's on a pole, so I'm going to try and get it up here so you can see in it. That's it.
It's about what, Bill? 5-6 feet long?
It's about 5 foot high.
Quite elaborate.
Yeah.